Welcome to another Tech Tuesday at FiTech. Today we're going to cover installing a Go Fuel braided stainless fuel line kit. The Go Fuel kits come in two options. You can have 20 foot or 40 foot, and another two options you could have stainless or braided black stainless. And they all come with a filter and fittings.
When prepping your fuel lines for installation, it is important to cut the desired length of fuel line as cleanly as possible. You want to avoid any fraying of the line. If you are using a cutoff wheel, be sure to tape the hose off where you are going to cut in order to avoid this. In our case, we are going to be using a bolt cutter to cut the braided stainless steel line in a clean fashion. When installing the fittings on the fuel line, install the collar over the braided line and then install the fitting over the collar and tighten. To facilitate the assembly process, apply a small amount of lubricant to the fittings before securing them onto the sockets. Ensure that the hose is unobstructed and has a smooth surface at the fitting. If the fitting doesn't fit snugly into the collar, you can use a punch to spread the inside lining of the hose so that the fitting goes in smoothly. Now insert the fitting as far as possible and then tighten it, making sure it is secure. Now it's time to install and tighten the fuel lines onto the fuel tank before installing it onto the vehicle. Make sure to label your feed and return line prior to mounting the tank. You don't want to confuse these when routing the lines. Now install your tank. Carefully route your lines, keeping them away from any exhaust or heat sources. Be sure to secure the lines, avoiding any loose or hanging positions that could potentially cause hazards. Additionally, it is important to install the fuel lines in locations where they will not fray or come in contact with other components, preventing any potential damage. Install the included 10 micron fuel filter in an accessible area on the pressure side. These fuel filters are serviceable and you will want to easily access them for proper maintenance over time. Now you can finish the process by securing your fuel lines properly. We use Adele clips to mount our fuel lines. They are not included in our kits, but we prefer to use them to secure our lines and avoid any potential hazards. Check for fuel leaks prior to firing up your engine for the first time.
Thanks for watching this video on how to install a stainless fuel line kit. For more videos, check out FiTechEFI.com.